The central government of India offers several schemes to support women entrepreneurs, ranging from collateral free microloans to large scale project financing and skill development programs. Major financial assistance schemes. Stand Up India scheme facilitates bank loans between rupees 10 lakh and rupees 1 crore to at least one woman borrower per bank branch for setting up a greenfield first time enterprise in manufacturing, services and or trading. 9 loan schemes for female entrepreneurs. Annapurna scheme loans up to rupees 50,000, repayment period up to 3 years. Focus food-based startups. Mudra Yojana scheme for women, loans up to rupees 10 lakh, repayment period varies. Focus any. Stree Shakti package, loans up to rupees 5 lakh, repayment period varies. Focus any. Udyogini scheme, loans up to rupees 1 lakh, repayment period varies. Focus agriculture. Bharatiya Mahila Bank business loan, loans up to rupees 20 crore, repayment period varies. Focus any. Sant Kalyani scheme, loans up to rupees 1 crore, repayment period varies. Focus any. Dina Shakti scheme, loans up to rupees 20 lakh, repayment period varies. Focus agriculture. Manufacturing, microcredit, retail stores or small enterprises. Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme, loans up to rupees 10 lakh, repayment period up to 5 years. Focus any. Orient Mahila Vikas Yojana scheme, loans up to rupees 25 lakh, repayment period up to 7 years. Focus any. Pradhana Mantri Mudra Yojana PMMY provides collateral free loans up to rupees 10 lakh for small businesses like beauty parlors, tailoring units or tuition centers. It has 3 categories. Shishu loans up to rupees 50,000. Kishore loans from rupees 50,001 to 5 lakh. Tarun loans from 5 lakh to 10 lakh. 2 crore loan scheme, upcoming or new. A new initiative targeting 5 lakh first time entrepreneurs including women to provide term loans up to rupees 2 crore over the next 5 years, incorporating lessons from Stand Up India. Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme, implemented through SIDBI. It offers soft loans up to rupees 10 lakh for setting up new small scale units or rehabilitating existing ones with a repayment period of up to 10 years. 9 schemes by the government to back women entrepreneurs financially. Bharatiya Mahila Bank Stree Shakti package, oriented Mahila Vikas. दीना शक्ति सेंट कल्याणी स्कीम, मुद्रा योजना, महिला उद्यम निधि, महिला सशक्तिकरण अभियान, उद्योगी स्कीम, TREAD ट्रेड related entrepreneurship assistance and development, provides Government of India grants of 30% of the project cost to NGOs, which then facilitate credit and training for women from economically weaker sections. Specialized and skill-based schemes. Mahila Koer Yojana, a women-centric scheme under the Ministry of MSME, providing training and a 75% subsidy on machinery for setting up coir processing units. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, PMEGP, a credit-linked subsidy program where women are eligible for higher subsidies, 25% in the urban areas and 35% in rural areas, for setting up new micro enterprises. 5 essential government schemes every woman entrepreneur should know. अन्नपूर्णा स्कीम, मुद्रा योजना स्कीम, स्त्री शक्ति योजना, महिला उद्यम निधि योजना, ओरिएंट महिला विकास योजना स्कीम. Support to Training and Employment Program, STEP, focuses on enhancing skills and providing employment opportunities through grants to institutions for running training programs. Women Scientist Scheme, WOS, encourages women in science and technology, especially those with career breaks, to pursue research and self-employment through fellowships and grants. Platforms for mentorship and marketing. Women Entrepreneurship Platform, WEP, a NITI Aayog backed aggregated that connects entrepreneurs with mentors, funding opportunities, incubation and networking partners. Mahilaye Hath, an online marketing startup schemes for women entrepreneurs in India. Mahilaye Hath, an online marketing platform managed by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, where women entrepreneurs and SHGs can showcase and sell their products directly. Udyam Sakhi Portal, a single window portal providing information on government schemes, MSME registration and market opportunities. Empowering women entrepreneurs. Top 7 government schemes in India. Government schemes for women entrepreneurs in India. Stand Up India Scheme, Mahila Udyam Nidhi Scheme, SIDBI, Mudra Yojana under Pradhana Mantri Mudra Scheme. TREAD Scheme, Trade Related Entrepreneurship Assistance and Development. Bharatiya Mahila Bank Business Loan, Udyogini Scheme, Annapurna Scheme, NSIC, Women Entrepreneurship Program.